Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to create an awesome 3D text effect using Adobe Illustrator. It's super easy and fun, so make sure to stick around till the end. Open Adobe Illustrator and select the Type tool. Type any word you like and choose a bold font for better results. Adjust the size as needed. Go to the Effect menu, select 3D and Materials, then Extrude and Bevel. In this window, click on Inflate under Object. Set the values of depth to 60%, twist 0 degree, taper 100%, and volume 35%. Also click on Presets drop-down button and choose Isometric Right. Under Material, set the base material as default. Then click on Properties and set Roughness and Metallic to 0 under Base Properties. Click on Lighting and set Intensity to 130%, Rotation and Height 45 degree, and Softness 85%. Also check Ambient Light and set Intensity to 75%. Add Shadow and set Position to below Object. Distance from Object option should be at 0% and Shadow Bounds at 400%. Change the color according to your requirement. Hold down Alt key on Windows or Option key on Mac and drag it to duplicate the text and change its color. On the Object section in the Inflate Properties, click on Presets drop-down button again and choose Isometric Top for now. Then, hold down Shift key and rotate the text at 90 degrees. Again, click on Lighting and change Rotation to 120 degree under Color Properties and set Position to behind Object. Select 1x1 text boxes and click on the Render with Ray Tracing button located on the top right corner to make the effect more realistic. Change the background color to make it more attractive. And that's it. You created a stunning 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design tips.